This is our project number PIC 113, which has got actually 3 units. This unit is transmitting unit. There is exactly another unit which is another receiving unit, and also another unit like this which is again one more receiving unit. The objective of this project is that this transmitting unit will transmit certain speed, and other 2 receivers will be maintaining that speed. We have not shown the receivers here, but then the receiver units are identical to this. So what we can do when we switch on the system, what we find is called BLDC motor speed and all, and though it gives some star and required RPM etc., but the first we have to do is first press the hash button. Once we press the hash button first, what we find, it gives us the motor RPM at which motor is rotating, because these are the 2 IR, one IR LED and photodiode, and there is a reflection which is coming from a white patch which is given on the motor shaft here, and that is how the speed is recorded here. One word of caution here, this particular place should be either covered with a black surface, or it should be avoided from the daylight, because otherwise it will be picking up the daylight in the process and the speed will not be accurate. For example, if I throw certain light on this, and we find things will be getting affected. So the method is that first, once the motor RPM is stored, you have to press hash again. Once you press hash again, it shows the maximum RPM and it tells me star for the required RPM. For the required RPM, I have to press star first. After that, I have to press the in percentage. Now supposing I press 5, 0, be slow, not be very fast, and then again press hash. Once you press hash, it tells that the previous speed was 2350, now it is required to run at 1150, and you can see the speed is falling automatically to lock at that speed. And the same thing exactly will be happening in the receiver end, where the speed will be automatically falling, because this amount data is transmitted to the receiving unit, and the receiving unit speed also will accordingly fall. Thank you.